7 Most Expensive Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce was established in the early years of the 20th century by businessmen Charles Rolls and engineer Henry Royce. Rolls-Royce built luxurious motorcars from the beginning and quickly gained a reputation both in Britain and abroad for superior engineering and manufacturing. In this video, we will be looking at the 7 most expensive rolling status symbols by Rolls-Royce. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. 7. 2020 Rolls-Royce Phantom, costing $576,225. Phantom is the most enduring name in Rolls-Royce's history, with the first of its kind rolling out of the factory nearly a century ago. Typically, Phantoms are the largest and most luxurious cars in Rolls-Royce's catalog, and in certain eras, the company would only sell Phantoms to its most distinguished clients. The Phantom is currently in its 8th generation, which was introduced in 2017 and is still considered among the very best luxury automobiles on sale today. This 2020 model, located in Vancouver, Washington, shows just 31 miles, 50 kilometers, on its odometer. It is finished in two-tone midnight sapphire and silver with a contrasting interior of seashell and navy blue. 6. 2017 Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe, at $599,350. While the current Rolls-Royce Phantom is only available as a 4-door sedan, the 7th generation car could be a convertible, aka a Drophead Coupe. The 2017 Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe, located in Vancouver, Washington, is 6 years old but still shows just 46 miles on its odometer. Finished in crystal and Carrara white with a black top over Selby gray and seashell, it is also one of 50 Zenith models built. The Zenith version of the Phantom 7 was unveiled at Villa d'Este in 2016. It features a glass shelf at the rear section of the tailgate, padded leather seats on the tailgate, a champagne fridge in the boot, and a bespoke version of the Rolls-Royce picnic hamper, which among other things includes folding picnic tables, leather and wood shelving, crystal wine glasses, stainless steel cutlery, and an American walnut chopping board. 5. 2021 Rolls-Royce Cullinan by Mansory, at $773,141. Rolls-Royce finally entered the increasingly competitive luxury SUV market in 2018 with the Cullinan. Named after the Cullinan diamond, it fits in above the Ghost and below the Phantom in the company model range. But even though the Cullinan makes enough of a statement right on the showroom floor, this one is a standout because it has been customized by Mansory. Mansory is a German car customizer that specializes in making high-end automobiles stand out with body kits, carbon fiber trim, large wheels, and extravagant brightly colored interiors. It was only a matter of time before Mansory turned its attention to the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and this one features custom touches to the bodywork that are quite subtle for Mansory. 4. Armored 2019 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, priced at $1,073,224. Unveiled at the Concorso di Eleganza Villa d'Este in 2018, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan is not only the company's first SUV but also its first all-wheel drive automobile. This one appears fairly standard to the naked eye, yet the asking price is roughly 3 times that of a base Cullinan. That's because it is offered directly from Trasco Bremen GmbH, a leading commercial armored vehicle company that has been around for 35 years. The price includes the vehicle and the extensive work and material it takes to fully armor a large SUV. 3. 2008 Rolls-Royce Phantom Hyperion by Pininfarina, at $3,267,084. The third most expensive Rolls-Royce on the list, and indeed one of the most expensive cars, is this special Rolls-Royce Hyperion. The word unique gets thrown around a lot in the car world, but rarely is a car actually one of a kind. This one, though, is truly unique in every sense of the word. Unveiled at the 2008 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance and based on the Phantom Drophead Coupe, it wears special bodywork from Pininfarina, the Italian design firm and coach builder best known for clothing some of Ferrari's greatest designs. The body panels are carbon fiber, and Pininfarina reworked the shape with new recessed headlights, a slightly inclined grille, a shorter tail, more rounded fenders, and raised beltline for a substantially different look than the original car. 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, $13 million. The Sweptail's signature feature is a single-piece glass roof that tapers into the car's fastback rear end. It's a design feature that dominates the car's silhouette. The front grille of the unique motor car is also unique by itself and is the largest fitted to any modern-era Rolls-Royce, giving it a distinct look. It's milled from a single piece of aluminum and hand-polished to give it a mirror shine. On the rear end is the swept tail that gives the car its name. The coup de grace of the rear is the ultimate homage to the world of racing yachts that inspired the client, with its raked stern. The back seat is replaced with a wood midshelf that features an illuminated glass lip. Further back is the wood hatch shelf, polished and inset with luggage rails and surrounded by a large teardrop-shaped glass roof that contributes to a very bright, airy cockpit. 1. 2021 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, at $17,341,888. The 6-meter-long Grand Tourer, Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, is an absolute luxury for all nautical enthusiasts. The boat tail's body style is significant of classic cars from the 20s and 30s. During that time, luxury cars were sometimes designed with back ends tapered to a point like the fantail of a boat. Like tail fins on cars in the 1950s, which suggested speed and style through an association with airplanes, boat tails gave cars a fast, aerodynamic look. Often, they were covered in wood planks to resemble a wooden boat of that era. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail has a fully removable roof that is stored separately from the car, freeing up storage space in the back. The world's most expensive car consists of 2 lids open up along the sides. A sunshade is stored in the center between the hinged doors. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.